In this video, I will show you how to change leverage on Exness. So firstly, we need to go to our personal area. So if you are on this web trading like me, you need to click on those 9 dots and then you want to choose personal area. And from here, you need to select my accounts under trading. And then you need to choose your account for which you want to change leverage. So if you want to change it on real account, you just need to click on real. Or if you want to change it on demo account, just click on demo and then choose your account and click on those 3 dots next to it and then click adjust leverage. And from this drop down you can choose your leverage. You can also add your custom leverage. If you click on custom, you can type 1 to something. So let's say 1 to 200 and then click on save. And now your leverage will be changed after like 1 minute. So actual leverage is 1 to 50, but it should be changed soon. And as you can see, I refreshed page, and this is how you can change your leverage on Exness. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.